Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I thought we'd scroll through their food section and see what they have. So I noticed that they have these soups, these instant soups and chicken. It's a 3-pack. That's really good. So here on the end cap they have this kind right here. That's a pretty big bowl right there. So that's nice. And then they have those, and then they even have these packs right here of the shrimp ramen. They have this kind right here, that's a 5-pack. Then they have the hot and spicy shrimp. Then they have the 3-pack chicken right here, and this kind. You have some oats over there, and then some instant oatmeal in the box right there. Then we have this cereal, apple bits. This one here, this is cookies. Pecan chocolate chip supreme. So we have those apple bits, and then we have this Raisin Bran Golden Foods. Then over here we have the tiny box of the honey bunches and oats and the golden puffs, the tutti fruities and the golden puffs. What is this? Frosted mini spooners, Raisin Bran, cinnamon toasters. That's what we have there, guys. Then on the bottom you have these little pouches here. This is like a 1 serving in my house, not even. So these little pouches here are Frosted Flakes, are $1. They have them in Lucky Charms, Captain Crunch Berries, Reese's Pieces, and Fruit Loops. Okay, we have some strawberry preserves and some strawberry and grape spread. Then you have this peanut butter. This is, I never seen this label before, but you have the crunchy one right here. Then you have the creamy one here of peanut butter. Then you have the Jiffy chocolate to go and this kind. These are really good snacks. Then you have the Rice Krispie treats. Then you have the fruit roll-ups. These are all name brand, guys. Then over here you have the snack pack. This is strawberry. This is orange and strawberry right here. Then over here you have the fruit in a cup. So this one is the mixed fruit. Look, they even have the gushers. Okay, and then you have your applesauce. So that's the homemade one, and then this one is the cinnamon apple one. Then you have these Toastums, strawberry, s'mores, and then you have these, the mixed berry, like snack bars. Then you have this Fruit Kiss, fruit grain, and strawberry and apple cinnamon, and then you have these guys, the chewies. So that's peanut butter and chocolate chip, s'mores, and then the rainbow. Then you have the chocolate chip there and the oatmeal raisin. These are breakfast. So this is cinnamon, peanut butter, and the blueberry biscuits. And there you have the chocolate ones. And then let's see, then we get into the canned fruits. So this is a Libby's brand, guys. The pineapple tidbits. So that's a 3-pack. Yeah, it's a 3-pack. Then you have your applesauce and cinnamon, and then you have the regular homemade. Then you have your puddings. So over here, let me see. You have the strawberry jello and the orange strawberry, like I showed you. And here you have your puddings and the butterscotch and the chocolate. And here you have the chocolate vanilla. Isn't that awesome, guys? Then you have the Welch's fruit snacks. Then you have the Toy Story. This is Betty Crocker. And the Crayola fruit snacks. That's pretty neat. So we come over here, you have the Pillsbury Funfetti. Then you have the Duncan Hines Chewy Fudge Brownie Mix. Then you have the brittle mix and peanut butter, and then the cake mix. And so you have here the baking cups, and then you have the shredded coconut and the chocolate chips. So here you have, let's see, the chocolate hazelnut spread. And then this one here is the cookie butter. Then here are the mug treats. This is the chocolate, and this is the rainbow chocolate chip. Then over here you have the classic cheesecake mix. Then here you have honey. But this is blended, premium blended flavored honey. So you might want to look at the ingredients to that. Now here you have the coconut oil. I always buy this. Then you have the vegetable oil and the soybean oil with extra virgin olive oil. See, this is a blend. So now over here you have the apple pie filling and the cherry pie filling. And here's some more mug treats. Here's some marshmallows. So here you have the Betty Crocker cookie mix and the peanut butter mix. And here's the funfetti cookie mix. So here's the frostings, guys. Chocolate, vanilla, and you have the ones with the sprinkles. And here's your chocolate cake mix and the yellow cake mix. Here's your chocolate syrup and the pancake syrup. And here's your pancake and waffle mix. And there you have the canned evaporated milk. You have your Domino sugar and the light brown sugar. You have the coconut milk back there. And here you have the Japanese, the panko. And here's the regular breadcrumbs. And here, guys, are the white flour. So over here, you have the chicken salad, the tuna salad. Then you have the pouches. Here they have it in the buffalo style chicken salad with crackers. So here you have the ginger soy, and then you have the spicy Thai, the lemon pepper, tuna creations with rice and beans, and that one too. So here's your tuna fish, your alcapor. They even have alcapor bumblebee, and this is Starkist, guys, name brand. So here you have the dark chicken. Here's the bumblebee chunk light, and here is the chicken of the sea sardines, and I think this is their brand of the sardines. So you have the Arma Vienna sausage, the potted meat, that's right here. And the Arma Vienna sausage. Okay, so that's what that is. And what is this? Vienna bites in the Arma, and here you have the Ocean Prince kipper snacks. So you have the sardines, the beach cliff, the smoked oysters, and the luncheon meat back there. So down here you have the Hanover baked beans and the pork and beans from Campbell's. And down here you have the beef stew, the chili with beans in a can, and that's by Southgate. And the chicken broth. Then here you have the mackerel, okay. Here you have the chicken noodle soup by Campbell's and the tomato soup by Campbell's. Then here you have the cream of chicken soup by Tasty, and cream of chicken soup and cream of mushroom. There's your vegetable beef soup, and there's the healthy choice chicken noodle. So here you have Chef Boyardee ravioli, and here you have it in the lasagna. The packaging is different. Spaghetti, the SpaghettiOs, and there you have the Swanson a la King. Then you have the giant beets. That's the first time I've ever seen those. And you even have some boiled peanuts. I don't think I ever tried boiled peanuts. They don't look good. So here you have the sliced carrots and green giant and the potatoes, and there's the green beans. Here's your fancy spinach. And here is your asparagus, guys. You can even get asparagus here. There's your turkey gravy and chicken gravy from Campbell's. And then they have the refried beans down here. The Hanover pinto beans over there and the refried beans over there on the end. Chicken gravy and green beans, like I said. The tortilla strips. We have the pasta, and we have the corn tortillas. We have lasagna noodles, and then we have the penne. And you have this grated topping with Parmesan. Then you have this Creole seasoning. And there's tomatoes with chilies, and then you have the diced tomatoes. These are the fire roasted. And we have some rice. And here's some Goya can beans. These are the red beans, and these are the pinto beans and the black. The pizza sauce, the Velveeta cheese, and the taco shells. And here you have the tortillas. These are the flour ones. Okay. So then you have the Knorr, That's the Alfredo, and this is the cheddar broccoli. Here we have the pasta sides in Alfredo, and look at this, cheesy garlic biscuit mix. That's interesting. And here you have the mashed potatoes, the instant mashed potatoes, the jambalaya, crispy skillet potatoes. I don't think I've seen that before. So here you have the mashed potatoes, the dirty rice, the Uncle Ben's Southwest chicken. I think that's new. Pasta salads, and here's the jambalaya New Orleans, and look, Kraft macaroni and cheese. So here you have the spices, guys. You have all the seasonings here, crushed red pepper, taco seasoning. I'm looking for garlic. And I don't see it, but you do have the Himalayan salt, guys. That's a good buy. So they have the garlic pepper seasoning. They have the ground cinnamon, but I don't see the garlic powder. And then you have your salt, and here's your Himalayan salt back here. This is a good buy, guys. It's very good for you. And these are Hunt's ketchup. That's a good buy. So I'm gonna get one of this apple cider vinegar. And you know, they even have the one over here that has the mother in it. See that? Unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. That's pretty interesting. That's Dollar Tree. This one is Velacet. Where is it? There it is. And then let's see, sweet pickles, the hot sauces, and then you have your olives. So you have your coffee filters and your ground coffee. You have your chocolate, instant Nesquik chocolate, and then you have your sweeteners and your creamers and your teas along the top, and some bread at the end. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to scroll through their food section, and I'll see you in the next video.